First time namin dito. Umuulan, sobrang lakas nyo. You could have been anywhere in the world but you're here with us. And we thank you for that. And we got it one time.
Hindi masyado malakas, G.
Okay.
Sabay. Mag-ingay naman siya! Wala. Gusto
Gusto namin, may kikwento kami pagbalik namin sa Maynila. Gano'n